Hi there. For today's Ninja Art Tip, I've got a really quick one. And we've been talking about learning to draw, and this is about learning to draw. So there's an expression of making sure that you learn to walk before you can run. And the tip for today is make sure that you learn to draw before you go to painting. So that's it, very simple, but the foundation of every good painting is a good drawing. And one of the things I talk about a lot in the first book from the Zen and the Art of Art series, the Foundations book, is that shape is more important than tone or colour. So shape is all about getting your drawing right, the fundamental shapes underneath the painting, getting that right first. So that's the thing, make sure that you get your drawing right first before you slap the paint on. And also, if you're in a bit of a journey for learning how to draw and paint, then make sure that you learn to draw first so that you're really comfortable with that, and then painting is so much easier and so much less frustrating. So that's your tip, and make sure you join us over at the dojo at zenartart.com for more free video tips and tutorials, and please like, share, comment and subscribe so that Facebook doesn't hide this video away. Thanks for watching.